Hello, hi friends and students. Welcome to Root Code Academy. Today, session class 2, Advantages of Microsoft.NET. Advantages of Microsoft.NET is a very important question in the interview and placement purpose. The first advantage is .NET is a product of Microsoft.NET because it is easy to use and easy to access the Microsoft products. And second one is Microsoft is a framework. As earlier we studied about the framework. Actually the framework is a collection of programming languages and one common specification. Third advantage is multiple language programmer will work on MS.NET because every language contains own syntaxes. Fourth one is Microsoft.NET will support language interoperability. Interoperability means we are using one language application into another language. Can you take one example like ATM card? If you withdraw the money from ATM, you can use some HDFC ATM card in SBI ATM also. You can withdraw money. Like this example, the interoperability will work on. And next, fifth example and fifth is advantage is Microsoft.NET is a built-in graphical user interface BGUI because Microsoft.NET every control is in built-in or predefined because it is a built-in graphical user interface. And sixth one is Microsoft.NET is a rapid application development because easy to write the program and easy to design the application, easy to develop the project and easy to compile the application, easy to debug the application. And next one is Microsoft.NET is a platform independent. Actually the Microsoft.NET is a partially platform independent because Microsoft.NET does not work on Windows 95 but Microsoft.NET will work on other operating system. So this Microsoft.NET is a platform independent. And coming to eighth one, Microsoft.NET supports object-oriented programming, OOPS concept. In OOPS concept we have 5 modules here: inheritance, encapsulation, polymorphism, object and class. This OOPS concept we mainly used in programming level. It's a very big advantage of this Microsoft.NET. And after that, ninth one is Microsoft.NET internally containing the garbage collector. Mainly this garbage collector we have studied about the feature classes. The garbage collector is mainly used to remove the unwanted data and unused memory from the .NET application. It automatically works. It can automatically remove the unwanted data from the .NET application and unused memory from the .NET application. Yeah. And then the 10th one is Microsoft.NET supports globalization. Here globalization means we are using English language and also other regional languages like Telugu, Hindi, Arabic, etc. This is the main important thing. It can support the globalization. And last, the Microsoft.NET supports dynamic memory allocation. Here the dynamic memory allocation is means the memory is not fixed. In dynamic memory allocation, memory is allocated with the help of variable length. So in the dynamic memory allocation, memory is not wasted. It is a major important advantage of Microsoft.NET, and these 11 advantages are mainly asked in the every interview and placement purpose. If you like this video, like, share and subscribe my channel.